Hey guys, welcome back to Deep Sleep. I'm sorry if you guys were getting angsty about the wait, but here we go into Deep Sleep. Now, in Deep Sleep, I really hope we can play more games. See, okay, this is where we left off. I, I honestly don't know. Oh, creepy painting. Darn right. What the fuck? Oh, I'm running down here. This place is too fucking creepy for me. Okay, so we have a net. Now I'm guessing, that place that was too far to climb, we could use this to climb that, and that would, help out tremendously. But then where would I have to look that I didn't get a good look at? And there is no way in hell I'm going back to that room with the lock, by the way, you guys, so don't even try and suggest that. Don't even be that guy who's that funny. Ooh, this game gives off a lot of eerie vibes. You know what I mean? It just gives off a lot of eerie vibes, and I don't like it. Okay, let's get out of here, because I would hate it if one of those shadow boys that we saw in the last video snuck up behind me and then was all like, hey bro, I'm gonna turn this on, and be like a complete asshole. You know what I'm saying? Only I had a wrench. Get me, turn on my flashlight. Oh, I'm trying. I never realized I could click that and get that funny joke. Is there anything hidden anywhere? I just want to figure out. All these pictures. What could it mean? It probably. I know this game has a sequel, so I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna open up that door for us in the sequel. You know what I mean? Okay, what do I do? Yeah, okay, I will. So I need to think, where would a hook be? Because I'm pretty sure a hook would be perfect for that, you know? Like a hook. Foxy hook. Wait a minute, fishing hook, probably out there on the shore somewhere. Okay. Alright guys, I just want to mention this. There is a walkthrough thing, so I'm just gonna look it up. Sorry guys. I know this technically would count as cheating. Oh wait, it won't let me. Never mind then. I guess I can't do that. Okay, so I guess I can't cheat. The game's like, oh no, I'm not letting you cheat. Okay, so I need to figure out where a hook would be. Okay. I want to check for monsters under my bed. I I don't know where the hook is. It's gone. Okay, think. Look for things that you can click. You know, the sound design on this whole thing is just beautiful. I don't think enough people talked about this game, actually. Because if you ask some horror fans, they're like, what the hell are you talking about? So, it's not there. Okay, let's see. I really want to use the walkthrough. I'm so sorry. Um, Never mind, I guess I'm going to have to just... Where would I look? Sorry about that. I'm sure this note gets to you somehow. At this point, you should know all this is not real. I hope the inner awakening went well and you have a full lucid control over the dream. Sincerely, yourself. I'm looking around, but I don't know anything. Yeah, nothing's here. You know, I really wonder where that hook is. Even if it is a hook, I may be looking for the wrong thing, but... Oh, screw it, I'm just looking it up. Deep sleep walkthrough. There we go. Sorry guys, but this is just gonna have to help me a little. I just need a little bit of help. I'm honestly stumped. What? Okay, well, you guys are about to see how I do some of my stuff. Check this out. Sorry that I'm breaking the rules, guys, but I just got to. This is going to help me in the future. I know it is. Alright, so hook. Okay, see. Okay, pick up the phone. Alright, so it should be around the net area. Pick up the pickaxe, run the room. And because it'll fast, move through the window. Pick up a hook that hangs from the stairs. Wait, did I really miss that? Is that seriously something I missed? Hold on. Wait, did I actually miss that? I mean, if it's right, then which it is, because this is partly produced by that guy. Wait a minute. Oh my god! Does this mean a net with the... I was right about the hook. Anybody who doubted me should have known that I'm probably not wrong. Thank you. Now, wait, a key? A shiny gem. Ooh, I kind of like it. Can I just keep it? Like, you know, wait. At the lighthouse, there's that little gem thing, like the clear glass thing. No, I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna put you here. Nice. No. Fuck. No. Please. Get the fuck away. I killed you. Deal with it, punk. Yeah. And then just like that, I woke up. Huh. The nightmares was over, but my life was changed forever. Was it all just a dream? Or were those creatures real? I have to know. I just have to know the truth. I can't stop thinking about it. No, wait. I know where you're going with this. I have to go back. No. Back to the deep sleep. Oh, I was right. There is a trilogy about this. Oh, guys, tomorrow I will show you guys deeper sleep. Okay? So see you around then. But check out Search Dynamics. See it all. I really appreciate you guys. See you around, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Just let me... Hold on. Hold on. It's, okay. Where is it?